this video we will do an experiment. This deck is 10 years old and never has been painted. So look what happened to it. It's all shaky and unstable. The wood dried out, lost its color, and all covered with cracks. The deck was built with nails that are rusted now. The footings are still in great shape, so nothing needs to be done here. The beam is also in a great condition. The goal of this project is to extend the deck's life by reinforcing the framing and painting the deck on a super low budget. To reinforce the railing, we will replace these lock screws with the bolts and nuts and the washers on both sides. To secure the decking, I'm running screws into each board. To use screws for exterior woodworking. Reinforce railing by installing additional railing supports. Replace old lock screws with through bolts and larger washers. Reuse lock screws to reinforce corner railing posts. We chose oil-based paint over stain to fill the cracks in the decking boards. Basically, our plan worked out. The deck is solid as a rock now, freshly painted, looks great, and it will last for another 5-6 years.
Я режиссер. Страна должна знать своих героев в лицо. Это сияние.
В самом конце можно сказать, it's like very nice. Great success.